Guys, welcome to Romania!
Welcome to this beautiful country!
It's our country!
Yeah, and we love it, but...
But...
You know, let's do something different today.
What do you mean different?
I so feel like... be a cartoon figure.
What?
Wait.
How you do that?
Huh? Everyday holiday! We spent 2 marvelous days in the Aninei Mountains in southwestern Romania. The limestone mountains are a symphony of gorges, waterfalls and caves. On our first day here we had a 5-hour adventure in Buhui, the biggest cave around. Upscreen you have the link to the vlog we filmed there.
It was really nice.
Yeah, but just a second.
What?
Please leave your helmet on.
Why?
You know, there's another cave I'd like to see.
It's far away?
30 minutes by car. And it's right beneath the road.
Okay.
Yeah? It's right under the road. You just have 3 minutes from the car to the cave.
Every time you say the same.
But this time is for real. So we're going to see the Ponor Uscata cave. Next day, next cave. Only 30 minutes away is the little but cozy Ponor Uscata cave, easily to visit. Being so close to the road and open to everyone, the Ponor Uscata cave is very degraded, but the natural windows of the main gallery are gorgeous. And we have been too much underground, so it's time to see something above the earth. So we are right at the
Ochiul Beu lake.
And a few steps farther there are the
Beusnitei waterfall.
Let's check them out. The Ochiul Beu lake contains low concentrations of algae and other substances, resulting in high clarity and a deep blue color, which generated a lot of legends, involving Turkish warriors and Romanian princesses. I, on the other hand, am following my princess on the way to the Beusnitei waterfalls. There are 3 bigger falls and several little ones, but due to our lack of time we will walk today only to the biggest one. And besides that, it's summer, and there is very little water on the big waterfall. It's not about seeing the waterfall, it's not about being on top of the waterfall, but it's all about being inside and behind the waterfall. And right across the street there are the famous Nerei gorges.
Yay! Let's do rafting! Woo!
Yes, you can raft on the Nerei Gorge, but I think not today. As a matter of fact, I did some rafting on Nerei River a few years ago. Wow. Let me check it out. Maybe I can find some images. The Nerei Gorges are 20 kilometers long, and in spring they are perfect for a Class 1 rafting. And the Devil's Lake in the middle of the gorge is marvelous. to look at, to jump in, or to swim. Here are some images from the movie we made a few years ago. The region is remote and the touristical infrastructure quite basic, but the wild beauty of the river and the rock makes it worth catching a glimpse of it. This vlog ain't over until the fat lady sings.
Where do you find this expression? The bigger waterfall.
It's bigger than something?
Bigar.
So it's bigger than another waterfall. So it's called Bigar.
The most beautiful, no?
Yeah, this waterfall was actually called the most special waterfall of the whole planet by an internet site some 15 years ago, and from that time on, the Romanians are saying they have the most beautiful waterfall in the world. And is it nice?
It is, but not the most
beautiful of the world. So if you are in Romania, try to see the bigger waterfall. But if you are somewhere on the American continent,
don't come just for a bigger.
Don't spend $1,000 just to come to Romania to see the bigger waterfall.
In case you came, call us.
Yeah, it's worth to come to Romania to meet us. How was it today being a cartoon?
I'm not sure which one.
I'm Tom.
But why, you choose Tom and Jerry?
So I'm Jerry?
You can be whatever you want to be.
Okay, I'm Tom.
It's your vlog, so you decide.
It's our vlog, so I'm Jerry and she's Tom. Yeah, okay. So, enough cartoon for today. Wait. Much better. See you next time, guys.
Bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe.